Here's a simple way to fix the issue when your mobile data is switched on, but you're not getting any internet connection. First, let's try the quickest fix. If your mobile data is on, but you're unable to access the internet, turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it off again. This simple step can often restore your internet connection and get your data working. If that doesn't work, let's move on to the second fix. Go to your phone's settings, then tap on Network and Internet. From there, select Mobile Network. Scroll down and look for access point names, APN. Tap on this option. Now you'll see the APN settings. To reset them, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and select Reset to Default. This will restore the default settings for your network. Once done, select the APN again, and your internet should start working. With these simple steps, you should be able to get your mobile internet back up and running. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.